Let's bring in Buzz sponsor Amdahl Home Care. Deanne, how's it going? How are you?
Good.
Nice
good.
to see you.
Good.
Last time you were on, you did a lift of me.
Well,
you lifted me out of my chair, and people were like, "Why is she lifting Chuck Leonard out of his chair?"
Yes, I was trying to demonstrate how you could transfer somebody and pick somebody up. But today I thought that
Now, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Now, you didn't see the beginning of the show, right?
When?
Well, check it out. Do you have a surprise for me? Is that what you're going to say?
Maybe.
Well, we were talking about aliens earlier. Do you know how you surprise an alien?
How?
Say, close your eye. Close your eye.
Okay.
So you do have a surprise for me today. What do you have?
It's just a little gift, and so it's a way for you to remember when I talk about things NOAA, nutrition, oral care, ambulation, and hydration, that you can look at that.
Okay.
And you can see
so,
that little.
So check it out. It says NOAA on it, so that means you drink booze out of it.
Right.
Right, NOAA, right?
No.
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 No. Let's go through this.
Well, I thought today I'd talk about nutrition, and I know you're drinking your black water, and you're obviously getting some good nutrition.
Now, you've done the black water before.
No, I have not done
You've
black
done
water.
fulvic acid before.
I have. I take it currently. Yes, I take a lot of nutritional supplements, but
It's the right thing to do.
yeah, and I really believe that our body is not getting the nutrients that we need, and that's really important as people are aging. As you're aging, your body is going to protein waste, and if you don't get enough protein, then your muscle mass is going to start to diminish. It does already anyway, and so it's really important to have that increased protein and to be able to eat right.
Is it extra important in an older person to get your protein?
Oh, yes, definitely, definitely. You actually need more grams of protein as you age than you and I do in today's age. And so
Because of the joints and the muscles and that stuff?
because the muscles are going to start to waste, and you want to have some, and unfortunately people don't always get good protein, because as you age, especially if you're a single person, and a lot of times as people are getting older, they maybe have lost a spouse or they don't have a loved one, and so they tend to maybe like eat things, I don't know, a cup of bouillon soup that has like no nutritional
Right,
value,
and a lot of salt.
A lot of salt.
Right.
And so, and when you're alone and you don't have a companion to eat with, sometimes it can be lonely. And
Sometimes it's just easier to
Yeah.
eat the processed food.
Sure, of course. It's always easier, but it's not healthy. And so, and when, as you're aging, you're developing all kinds of health issues with that anyway. And so that's why nutrition is so important. I mean, it's just so important. So as we came up with NOAA, that kind of evolved over a period of time. So the N in NOAA stands for nutrition. And I really believe that's the foundation. I mean, hydration is obviously important, but we can talk about that another time. But
No, we're going to get to hydration at the end of NOAA.
yeah.
Okay,
we
we
can
go
do
to
that.
nutrition being the first thing. Second thing, oral care.
Yes.
So oral care is very important as you get older,
Yes,
isn't it?
because your mouth, as you are aging, your mouth, if you don't keep a clean mouth, your taste buds are dying off anyway as you age. So
Do your
food,
taste buds die off?
sure, of course, yeah, they do. And so that's why you might see.
That's why when you get old, you go like that.
No, that's not why
Oh.
you do that. Well, that may be something else, but no, that's not taste bud related. But with your taste buds, as those are dying, people want to add more things to their food, and the natural thing to do is always salt.
Yeah.
But that's not the best thing to do. It would be better if you're adding fresh herbs, different
Garlic.
things like garlic would be great, sage,
I use a lot of fresh herbs.
Yeah, fresh herbs are great. I mean, you want to do that to your foods. My grandmother always liked lemon pepper, which
I don't
do not-
like it.
No, I don't like
It
lemon
tastes
pepper.
fake.
But one thing that older people will do when they're cooking is sometimes because their taste buds are dying, they will start adding additional spices because it tastes good to them. We once at a family reunion watched this when everybody was eating the deviled eggs that my grandmother had made. We already knew how bad they tasted.
Hey,
But-
deviled eggs are suspect
Yeah,
already.
well, loaded with lemon pepper, they weren't that great. But yes,
They're
nutrition
messy.
is just really important for the body, and the whole entire mouth, keeping it clean is really good, because if your mouth doesn't taste good, then food's not going to taste good. You ever had that yucky mouth in the morning?
No.
Oh, I'm sure you have. I'm sure
not
you
a
have.
big breakfast guy. Now we go to oral care, and then the next one, ambulation.
And that's what I was trying to demonstrate with you the previous week is how
Ambulation.
Ambulating. It's important to keep moving and grooving, and keeping you doing that. It's sometimes elderly people can't get out of their chair, so we've got to figure out how we can keep them moving, because it's not good to stay in one position all the time. So as we're moving around, we're moving all the time, but as you age, it's very important for your joints to keep moving.
Right. Not everybody can be like Grandpa Bucket, lay in the bed for 20 years and then just get up and start dancing.
No.
Over a ticket.
No,
Over a ticket.
definitely not.
Now, after ambulation, we have hydration. And we
Hydration.
all know that hydration is important throughout your life.
Yes, most definitely. The body is made up of 70% water, and so your muscles have, quite a bit of water to them. And so the average person, depending on your body weight, this little water bottle that you have over here is 16.9 ounces. A person that weighs 200 pounds should have 6 of those a day. 6 of
Okay.
those a day. So if you're, about 180, you probably need 5. And so
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be just water. I mean, let's not scare everybody
No,
into
no.
drinking 5 bottles of water a day. Water comes in a lot of different forms.
True, you can do that. But if you're having something that has effects that might impact you, then that's not good. So, for instance, if you're drinking like a soda that's loaded with,
High fructose corn syrup.
yes, or has a lot of sodium, you wouldn't want to be doing that. I mean, you could consider possibly your tea and your coffee, in your water intake. But if you get too much coffee, then that can have issues as well.
It's a diuretic.
Yes, so that can impact you.
Okay. But your juices
Yeah, you can
and
look
stuff.
at juices.
I hope
but-
everybody's out there is juicing.
But yes, that would be. But most older people probably aren't, unfortunately. I mean, they're not. Juicing is a new, upcoming thing, and unless they have like an adult child that is maybe living with them and thinking about that, the average person that's in their 80s or 90s is not thinking of juicing.
Get your grandmother a ninja.
Right.
Yeah, and one of the things, we have an Amdal marketplace on our website.
Oh.
And so we've created an Amazon store that we call the Amdal Marketplace, and you can get that on the front page of our website. And we actually have things like a ninja, little items to suggest to people and how they could get good nutrition.
That's a great way to do it.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay. Now, we have the holidays coming up. And this is a little touchy time for some of the seniors, isn't it?
Oh, very much so. Very much so. If and if you have a loved one out there that I've had so many people over the years tell me things like, I never really liked her. Well, let that stuff go. And it's time that you reach out to your loved one. Just tell them hello. Wish them Merry Christmas. Just give them a call. If you're a busy person, you're not too busy to remember family. And I think that's really important.
And I think that over a lifetime, some really good friends seem to come and go. And maybe
Yes.
it's a good time to reach out to them
Exactly,
too, right?
exactly. People are lonely around the holidays, and there's nothing like reaching out to somebody and just saying, hello, I'm thinking about you.
Deanne, it's always good to see
Thank you.
Thanks
Nice
for coming
seeing
on The
you.
Buzz. Thank you for being a sponsor of The Buzz. I appreciate
All
you
right,
guys.
thank you.
We're going to take a quick commercial break. When we come back, Lucha Extreme Wrestling. Stick around.